what's going on? Welcome back to another banger video. We're finna head to the drag strip and it's finna be really lit. All right, boys, we're headed out. They need to stop revving. Look at it. Sounds so good. Oh, we gotta go. We gotta go. Alright, so we're already here. We got all the cars. And we're finna run it.
Back up.
This time. Alright guys, so we already raced him. We're gonna race the Beamer. Let's see how that goes. But I hope y'all can hear me. The first run I went was the best run. So second one I got a 9.4, first one 9.3, and this one's gonna be really bad. Thank you. 9.5. It just got slower and slower. All right guys, it's hot as heck, but that was the run. My car didn't do this so bad. The Beamer got like an 8 second. What'd you get? 8 second. I got like a 9.5 on that one. Not bad, but definitely need new tires because these, I mean, they're sticky, but 8.1.
86.
Well, I don't know how fast I was going. I was going like 78.
Yours is 77.
77? Yeah. But here we parked it. We're all good. Look at these on NOS and everything. ZR1 and then the Z06.
Oh, there's a Supra.
Ooh,
I run it?
Yeah, go. BMW versus BMW.
I'll do it.
This thing is so clean. Oh my God. Woo. Look at him. Let's go, baby. Let's go! Let's go! My shit ain't slow. I mean, it is slow. I'm sorry. It is slow. It's very slow, but we got him. Ew! 10? Oh no, 9.3. 9.3, not 10. That was me, 9.3, baby. That was the one last run. And it was pretty good. I got a 9.3. My tires are gone for sure. Yeah, they don't have any thread left. But this Mustang is pretty clean. Look at this blue GT. I like that. That was the run. Come here. Don't forget to like, subscribe. You see this? Or that's gonna be you. Hey, pay attention. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more content, because we're gonna make some banger videos. Yeah.